Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear lovely friends, now I am standing here and in front of you. As you can see, this is our mustard field, and already today, uh, this mustard crops actually harvested today. And as you can see, this is our mustard field, and those are our house actually. And another side, all around side, actually mustard field. And they are lovely friends, as we can see our behind side. And on this is the actually white, and another side actually uh, sugar cane, like sugarcane, and day by day growth sugarcane crops. And dear friends, nowadays I couldn't upload on my Facebook channel, like Facebook page. And actually nowadays I am busy my personal working, so that is why I can't make video, like practicing video or blogging video. And after February month finished, and I will regularly upload video on my YouTube channel or Facebook page. And I regularly making video. Okay, so now I am visited our master field, and as we can see today I will go another like place like village. And so nowadays our English so not good, but I can practice every day, like 2 or 3 video I upload, only conversation video but not blog video. And today uh, I decided on blog video I will make, so that is why I have come here for video making purpose. So that is why I am making video. Okay, so this is our village, and now evening time is 4 p.m. and as we can see, so all around side village, and village so very green environment. And wow, so look like very amazing, like yellow color. And this crops actually like ripe, but those paddy like mustard field not ripe, actually unripe. And so that is why those flower actually now yellow color. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.